send me an instant messenger, and also see me in real time if necessary, if I have to give them some support on their charting system, so on and so forth. There's ways to do that, but for the most part it is up to them after they go on their own, and then there's a mentorship that continues. So the mentorship in general is a way to really get one-on-one training, and then possibly give me a candidate for my growing trading business. For example, someone who can trade self-sufficiently and maybe they don't have the sufficient financial means to trade in a substantial account. If I believe in this person, I will give them funds from myself and some private funds that we have, and then they can go ahead and trade that money, and then there's a portion that I take of that. So mentorship starts first with 10 hours, and in that 10 hours it's basically some very simplistic but very effective ways of trading better. And it is a program that is a total of $2,000. However, the upfront payment is $500, and that's going to include the 10 hours of mentorship and then the following up over the course of 3 months. Now here's the thing. If after 3 months you are not profitable, then you're not paying more than that $500. What I am looking for is traders that can fit into our team and trade the markets, and of course I then would be getting a cut of that trading profit. On the flip side, I'm also taking a risk, so for the risk that I'm taking and I'm also putting up the money, there is going to be a reward from me. So it's in my best interest to make sure that you have all the tools that I have learned over 20 years combined in a very short period of time. Now I have tried hundreds and hundreds of different systems, and I'll just cut straight to the chase and get to the few that I know through my trades work very well. And on top of that, I'll also be providing signals over that mentorship that goes on for 3 months. At any rate, just some thoughts here. This here is a Nasdaq, and we are short the Nasdaq here, and we were also short it yesterday, and this is what our team is currently involved in. Now, remember, when you go out on your own, if you don't feel comfortable trading futures, you can strictly stay with Forex. It really doesn't matter. The bottom line is profitability. And that is the bottom line. That's the most important. But this here's a 4-hour chart. You could say that the uptrend is still holding. So you don't want to get in too aggressive here by no means. All I have on right now is one contract. That is it. One contract on the Nasdaq. And as you can see, it's up $230. I'm not taking profits now. I'm not interested. I am looking for a bigger move. You can see that we're just drifting down. I just jumped to the 3-minute chart. Just drifting down here. Now I'm going to jump to the daily chart. And I'll do a more in-depth video of the mentorship, and also I'm going to have a link below to really explain this mentorship program. Okay, so 83.26, 83.25, that's where we are now. You can see we're just kind of losing a little bit of momentum. This is a nice momentum gauge here. and we haven't just crossed just yet on the MACD. The MACD is something that I don't only trade by because it's just not right as often as I need to get success in trading. So I use that with a combination of some other tools, and yes, I do use indicators. Okay, I still think it's amazingly silly that people trade with 0 indicators, and if it works for you, then continue, and I wish you the best. Alright, so what I'm looking at here is a further push lower, and keep in mind, I'm thinking we come down to that 82 area before we find some support, but right here it's choppy area, so we can probably chop around here for the rest of the afternoon, for all I know. Actually, sorry, it's 11:56, it's not even afternoon yet, but for now I'll just stay here, and if for some reason I don't like this trade, I will click a button and just let everybody else know what I'm doing on our team, and they can then make the choice on their own and know what they want to do. Alright, so I hope this helped to clear up some of the questions and just clarify this whole day trading mentorship program, and just kind of give you an idea of what I am trading today. And this is the only thing that I am in right now. I was trading earlier the Canadian dollar based on that move in oil, but I took profit on that. Everybody have a good one. Please subscribe to the channel. Please also like if you feel like you have gained something from this video, and I look forward to making more videos. Take care, everybody.